sons and daughters in the South. There's a number I want to display for only sons and daughters in the South. Delta states, Bayelsa states, River states, Akwa Ibom, Abia states, Anambra, Imo can call, then also Enugu can call. This number is only the sons and daughters. When they call, the number is standing for our planning of the forthcoming crusade. River states, Bayelsa states, the sons and daughters of Papa J. Let us plan together. Let us win souls together. +234 9133 220 206. That's the number. You can call. You can also WhatsApp. Meet and plan our crusade in Bayelsa and Poraco, River State. God bless you all. In Jesus' name.
Sons and daughters of Papa J from the South region of Nigeria, are you a leader, a servant of God, a pastor, and are you within the South region of Nigeria, Akwa Ibom State, Cross River State, Bayelsa State, Edo State, and River State? Contact this WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for the planning of the forthcoming program with your father, Senior Prophet Jeremiah Umutufafein. +234 91 33 220206.